Hey guys, last time I gave a quick explanation of my 240 and what had been going on with it. It was my first video, so please bear with me. I'm still learning on how to do this and all that stuff, so just trying to share my experiences with my 240 and the SR build that's going on with it. But anyways, last night I picked up my new 750cc injectors, my new Nistune ECU. It's rated for my cams, my T28 turbo, my injectors now, of course, and so we'll do a quick install on that. I'm probably not going to videotape it because I'm not too interested in that. It's really easy stuff. I'm just plugging in the ECU and then swapping out with injectors. So let's see if we can't get my SR fired up today and then really start working on the little things. And I can give you some install videos on some stuff I have laying around that I plan on putting in the 240. So thanks, and we'll see where it goes from here. So look who just showed up to the house.
You really need a new house. Go park.
Oh. Okay, wild child. Yeah. Find parking and come in. Yes, I'm videotaping. We just installed the injectors and we put our new ECU in. The car runs. And just gotta get it like fine-tuned. I got a little coolant leak coming off our turbo.
I'm here too.
I know you're here, Kay. What is that? So we've got a little coolant leak coming off the turbo. It's not going to be too hard to fix. I'm gonna have to take the turbo line back off, tighten it down, maybe put some Teflon tape on it just to close it off. But yeah, we got that. So let's try and start it up real quick. Still don't have a coupler. This is what I have to deal with when this dude comes over my house. So, as you saw, the car runs alright. Still missing a MAF sensor. I have the stock SR one, but on my new harness that I have coming in, I'm gonna have to use the Z32 MAF. So I have to order that probably from ISR, maybe Nissan, whatever one has the better price. But other than that, I think once I get that, I should be able to calm the engine down a little bit so it's not going crazy. The video I just took was of the car itself running with no MAF, so it's a little crazy, and then eventually ended up dying. But I hope that I can get some of this stuff squared away, and maybe I get to drive the car before winter gets here. But next, I'll probably have a video of me installing my wire and Specialties Pro harness. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or anything, I'll try my best to answer them. Just leave a comment in the comment section, But thanks, guys. Bye.